stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We have a couple of more interesting stocks that our strategists want you to know about as we cap off this trading month of November. Last 3 days of the month, Eric Dutram and Brian Hamilton here with me to, I don't know if you'd call it tout their stock, but explain why they chose it for the top pick anyway. And Eric, we're going to start with you, beauty retailer Ulta.
That's right, Terry. We're going to take a look at Ulta. This company is actually reporting on December 1st. So you can think of it as kind of an earnings play here. And if we look to the chart right here, we can see why why it could be an interesting earnings choice. The company has only missed one time in the last 5 years here. And then also earnings estimates have been on the rise. We see the 2016 numbers on this nice upward slope, and then 2017 as well. Now, granted, shares have seen a little bit of volatility as of late, but the company is definitely on the right track here, and I think this is a market that is really rewarding growth stocks. And fortunately for investors, this is a stock that does have a growth score of A. And if we look once again to the chart right here, we can see that some of the company's metrics, including its projected EPS growth, 26% easily trounces the industry average. And then same thing with projected sales growth, and then also current cash flow growth as well. All these numbers are far better than the industry average at large. It also has a Zacks rank number 2, buy. So I think it's a pretty solid pick, a good-looking pick heading into earnings season.
Yeah, good-looking indeed, because we're talking about makeup, I got
That's right,
that.
yeah.
All right, Brian, you've got a solar company here that actually you wrote up as the bull of the day today, November 28th.
Yeah, right after the election, the solar community was kind of, doom and gloom because they thought, President-elect Trump was going to be cutting tax credits and, gouging out the whole sector. But that's just not the case. He's actually pro-solar electric. And there has been no indication of any repealing of the solar tax credit. So the community is kind of taking a big sigh of relief, which brings us to SunRun, who I believe is the best in the group. Mm-hmm. Now, the management has been working on, like other management, increasing production but decreasing costs. Well, year over year, they just recently reported Q3 earnings, and they show a 43% increase in deployable megawatts while decreasing costs by 10%, which is absolutely crazy incredible. Also, because of these great numbers, management increased deployable guidance for deployable megawatts for Q4 and for fiscal year 2016. Well, the industry actually looks at this as seeing their production levels going up, that this is going to spill into 2017, which has caused their estimates to just go through the roof. If we take a look here, for next quarter, for Q4, it went from negative 48 cents to 12 cents. For fiscal year 2016, went from negative 71 cents to positive 72 cents. And then for next year, went from negative $1.94 to negative 28 cents, which are huge jumps up here. This has also been reflected if we look at their pricing consensus graph here. As you can see, when they first came out, they were a much stronger company, but the last 2016 was not kind to them. But given this most recent earnings, you can see 2016 estimates are just shooting through here, and 2017 the growth is going way up. So the concerns about the Trump presidency has been alleviated. This company is increasing deployable production and decreasing costs. So this company looks like a nice big jump into 2017, and it's also a $5 stock. So it's a limited amount of risk as well, and you can get in there for a nice big run up because they have been up at over $16 a share before.
You don't think investors will get burnt looking at this stock?
Maybe a couple birds here and there, but outside of that, no.
All right. Do either of you own it?
No.
Do not.
Yours? No? Okay. Well, thanks for that. Don't forget, you can always get more information on these companies and others on our website, Zacks.com. Get on over to the homepage, especially if you're not on the website right now watching this video. Link to it all from that homepage, the information that is. And it'll take you right to commentary, stock picks, stock picking strategies, and more. With Brian and Eric, I'm Terry Ruffalo.